escape the curse of memories. Looking for inner peace, he decides to serve God.
Lasko is the ideal man for us.
Pugnus Day? What's that?
It's a secret order.
And he encounters the devil.
My name for today is Lucifer.
Your Eminence, it's the pilgrim train to Lourdes. We have a situation.
Maybe they want to hijack it.
What did they steal from the safe?
That's it. Sorry to inform you that you are all my prisoners. We're in possession of a deadly virus. Look on the bright side. You're used to suffering.
They're planning an attack on the Holy Father.
Lasko could do more than any other novice whom Pugnus Day has taken on in the last 300 years.
Whatever happened, this train may under no circumstances go to Lourdes.
It is the perfect weapon.
Foslo, Mattis Lonver.
Do not stop the train.
Death Train with Lasko. Miracles still happen.